Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are using Coinmarketcap and wondering how you can withdraw your money, here is the truth. First of all, you need to understand that Coinmarketcap is a tracking platform and not a wallet or exchange. But don't worry, I will explain exactly what to do here. So if you have tracked your portfolio on CoinMarketCap, your actual crypto will be stored in any wallet or exchange. So you just have to launch that wallet or exchange. For example, let's say I have my money in my Phantom wallet. So you just have to launch that particular wallet and exchange. And after opening that, you just have to simply tap on the option that says send. Then you need to select the asset which you want to send from here. Let's say I want to send Solana. After that, in the recipient address, you need to provide that address. This will be the destination address where you want to send your crypto. Then you need to enter the amount which you want to transfer from your exchange or wallet. On the next page, you need to confirm your transaction and your withdrawal will be successful, not from CoinMarketCap, but from that particular wallet and exchange which you were tracking in your CoinMarketCap application or on the website. So remember, you cannot actually withdraw from CoinMarketCap, but you can actually track and manage your portfolio here. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more these types of tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.